Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up BigWigs. First, you'll want to download the BigWigs installer directly from its official website. Before running the installer, please ensure your computer meets all the minimum hardware and software requirements. Once confirmed, launch the installer and carefully follow the simple on-screen instructions. You'll typically choose a default installation directory, like C, /program files /BigWigs, which is usually the best option. Now, let's dive into configuring your BigWigs system. Open the BigWigs control panel, usually found in your Start menu. Here, you'll configure vital network settings, such as specific port numbers like 8080 and IP addresses. Next, create user accounts and assign appropriate access permissions to ensure secure operation. Finally, personalize your experience by customizing interface themes and dashboard layouts to suit your preferences. Moving on, it's time for integration and thorough testing. Begin by integrating BigWigs with any existing third-party applications you use, ensuring seamless data flow. Then, perform an initial data import from your current systems into BigWigs. After that, conduct comprehensive functional tests to verify that all features, from reporting to user management, are working perfectly. Finally, run performance tests to confirm the system can handle your expected workload efficiently. For our final step, we'll cover launching and maintaining your BigWigs system. Once testing is complete, officially announce the launch to all your users. Crucially, establish a regular backup schedule for all critical data, perhaps daily or weekly, to prevent any loss. Continuously monitor system performance and resource utilization to identify potential issues early. Lastly, always apply software updates and security patches promptly to keep your BigWigs system secure and running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.